just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom. I think I pulled up too soon. I just sent a message saying get me from the front. He came out to see me, he was confused. That's when I realized that he wasn't shit. You would tell me loving Tatiana.
Yeah! Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, online brother Jaspas Deck, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. Today we are going to be learning the Easy X cut, which is basically a move that I came up with specifically because I wanted a simple, easy, direct way to go from a deck in dealer's grip to an X. It's a really simple, easy, short move, and you probably will be able to do it within your first try of watching this video, assuming you can do a Shalia cut. So without further ado, go get yourself a great deck of playing cards and let's get down to learning the Easy X cut. Let's learn how to do Easy X. To do Easy X, first begin with the deck in your non-master hand in dealer's grip. Lift up the deck like you're about to do a Shalia cut. Your master hand approaches with your thumb beside your other thumb. Middle finger and ring finger of your master hand goes here. Begin executing a Shalia cut like this. But at the same time, once you drop this small packet, you're going to pick up about half the deck here, and then using your thumb, go up. Once you get here, execute the Shalia cut in your non-master hand using your index finger. At the same time, you're going to use your master hand index finger to slide this packet down to here. You want to do both of these actions at the same time. So it goes up and then it slides. Just like that. Next, using your master hand middle finger, you're going to slide this packet onto the packet on your left. Just like that. After that, using your thumb, push this packet down onto this packet right here. Tilt your hand sideways so you can get this packet to land on your fingers. And using your master hand, slide it across to here and rotate the packet around your middle finger. At the same time, using your master hand middle finger, push up the other packet so that you can land this packet here and close. In full speed, this is what it looks like. Here, go here, close. In full speed, this is what that looks like. Slide across, go here, close. Easy. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed learning Easy X. It's a simple move that requires a lot of sliding packets along packets kind of movement, which we will be exploring and further developing in future videos. So if you want to get the most out of those tutorials when they do come out, make sure you learn this move real quick. As for the Jaspas Deck Favorite Day 2 edition playing cards, if you want to keep up to date with these awesome playing cards, hit that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram at The New Deck Order. Keep playing with your playing cards, stay safe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.
Told that loser you should get lost. You should get the message, I'm gone.